Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be reviewing this new Android 9.0 interface Pumpkin 7-inch double-DIN head unit. If you haven't seen the installation video for this head unit, be sure to check it out. Both the installation video and the product link will be included in the description below. Starting out, here's the head unit. I have already removed the factory toter radio for a comparison. As you can see, the exterior face has a clean design which matches perfectly with any vehicle. There are a few buttons on the left side to access the home screen, go back to a previous window, navigation, volume knob that mutes when pushed, a cover which can be pulled back to insert 2 microSD cards, and a reset button. Pumpkin focuses on keeping the touchscreen as large as possible. On the sides there are various threaded mounting holes for different mounting brackets. The factory toter radio brackets do work here, and Pumpkin supplies new mounting screws which are the correct length so they don't damage the components inside. The top has a wiring and connector diagram. On the rear it has a hookup for the main harness, fuse, navigation, Wi-Fi and radio antennas, hands-free microphone, backup camera port, USB connections, additional monitors, DVR, amplifier, etc. Exterior dimensions for the height and width are the same. The Pumpkin head unit, however, is shorter. I did make some modifications to the factory toter radio trim in order to accommodate the Pumpkin head unit. However, this can vary between vehicles. Included with the head unit is an ISO harness. I have already installed the toter specific harness. There is also 2 inline fuses, which is a slightly different design than compared to their older unit. Micro USB cable, extended USB cable, double USB cable, Wi-Fi antenna, hands-free microphone, and backup camera. Pumpkin does include the dimensions for the backup camera on their website, and this utilizes the factory mounting points. It has 7 infrared LEDs, IP68 rating, and can rotate on the mounting bracket. Also included is the video cable for the backup camera, generic brackets with fasteners, plastic perimeter trim which wasn't needed here, detailed user manual, and GPS antenna. The first and second startup will be a bit slow until the unit has optimized. After that, the boot up will only take about a second or less, and you can see this right in my review. Once that unit is on, you'll see the home screen is similar to the previous version. We have a clock with a date, which also has various options to set the date, international clock, stopwatch, timer, and alarm. This is an international radio which can be used anywhere. Navigation operates off Google Maps, and the content can be downloaded to view offline. Can utilize steering wheel controls if your vehicle has that option, 8-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage, and is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Next is a radio which has up to 18 presets and can select both AM and FM bands. It can automatically fill out all the local stations to your presets, or you can manually enter this yourself. This unit also supports the Torque app, which can scan and show live data for your vehicle through a wireless OBD2 code reader, which I'll show you in a moment. The navigation can be selected by either the icon on the screen or the button on the left side. This will open up Google Maps, which can be downloaded so it's viewable offline, and your location will use the GPS antenna which is installed inside the dashboard. The maps can be easily adjusted by using movements on the screen. With Bluetooth, you can pair your devices and have complete control over them on the head unit. Supply with the head unit was a hands-free microphone that can be ran anywhere in your vehicle. It does have a clip, however, for more of a factory look, I mounted it inside the MapLight trim piece. The music icon will access the micro SD card or USB drive. I have the USB cables routed inside the glove box. All of the music is broken into folders as an MP3 format. Music can be searched through folders, or you can view all the songs as one large list. Next is a video icon, and this will access any video files you have on a portable storage device. I'll show you this in a moment once I transfer over a video file. Settings allows you to personalize your head unit to suit your needs. Under the network and internet options, we can select the desired Wi-Fi signal. I currently have it connected to the home internet. The router is inside the house with a distance of about 40 feet away, which gives you an idea of the range. During the installation, I mounted the Wi-Fi antenna behind the pillar trim. We also have options for the data usage, hotspot and tethering, airplane mode, VPN, and advanced for private DNS. Under the connected devices, this is where the Bluetooth settings are found. Apps and notifications allows you to set up the permission and notification options for the apps loaded on your device. Display options allows you to choose the brightness level, and this can also be accessed at the top of the pull-down menu too. Next, we can customize the wallpaper, pick a font, nighttime display brightness, and touch assistance. For sounds, here we can control the master volume, keytone sounds, notification chimes, and alarm sounds. Here's the screenshot settings. Storage manager. I haven't loaded anything onto the head unit yet, so you can get an idea how much space can be used here. Security and locations covers your Google Play, Find My Device, security updates, location, passwords, administrative setup, and encryptions. You can add or sync data such as files and passwords, making usability seamless between all your devices. Accessibility can adjust how you use the head unit, such as the text-to-speech, text size, highlighted font, and color adjustments. Under the car settings, here we can have some customization. This is an especially cool feature. Same as the previous version, you can select a wide range of colors for the illuminated buttons, specifically matching your vehicle. Steering wheel buttons can be set up here if your vehicle has that option. Amplifier setup. This can adjust manually, or you can select one of the presets. This can be also accessed on your drop-down menu. Navigation options. Driving settings. This is where the parking brake safety can be enabled or disabled if you have that wire hooked up. Extra settings for the shutdown, external music storage, and backup camera. And a factory reset. Google services and preferences. And finally, system startup. Along the top bar here you can see the smaller icons such as the volume, Wi-Fi, clock, and there's even a little option to show your current battery voltage. Dragging your finger down from the top pulls down a quick menu. Here we have the Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth settings, volume, brightness, amplifier, and shutting down apps running in the background. You can also see when the apps are being downloaded, such as shown here. Select the middle icon. This will access another menu for more apps. This includes anything from Google Chrome, Music, File Viewer, Video Player, Torque app, Clock, Calculator, DVR, Calendar, Email, Photo Gallery, etc. Going over to the File Viewer, this too can access any videos or photos. I now have a video loaded onto the USB drive, and here you're able to see sample footage. Back to the File Viewer, you can also view photos. Both the output resolution for the videos and photos is very high quality. Again, you can see the movements on the screen to pan around the photo. For the Torque app, this works over a Wi-Fi network, and Pumpkin carries the device required for this. You'll need to go into the Wi-Fi options after the device has been plugged in and select it. Open the Torque app. You can set up a profile specific for your vehicle if you wish to monitor and track data. Make sure that app also has the connection type set to Wi-Fi. Here you're able to scan and clear any codes if they're present. With the truck running, here you can set up a custom screen monitoring any data you'd like to see. At the moment, shown is the RPM, speed, coolant temperature, acceleration, throttle position, and vacuum. And finally is the backup camera, which utilizes the factory mounting holes and can be rotated slightly to fit your vehicle. This is especially great if you do have a trailer. When reverse is selected, this will automatically prompt the camera to display on the screen. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this head unit. The user interface is extremely easy to use, very similar to a tablet or smartphone. This is a great way to modernize your vehicle without breaking your wallet, and it has an overall quality feel. Screen movements are very fluid, and the physical feel and looks are excellent. At night with the proper night mode set up, it isn't distracting or overpowering. On the brighter sunny days, the screen can still be easily read, and I haven't found any issues with the glare either. Have you purchased this product? Please be sure to share your experiences in the comments below to help out fellow viewers. New videos are released every week on my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.